Okay, what's up YouTube? What's up investors? Back with another GME GameStop video. There's been some news that has come out about GameStop recently. Tonight, in fact, it is Sunday and breaking news, Roaring Kitty is back. Roaring Kitty has just recently made another post and it is the Uno card. So there's a lot of speculation about what the Uno card means, what's his next post gonna be, what is gonna happen with GameStop. But without further ado, I'm just a guy in his garage that likes to talk about stocks that he's investing in, trading, or just interested in. I do not give out financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. So with that being said, be careful investing in the stock market because it is risky. But for my GameStop investors, if you still have your shares, if you've been holding a bag, GameStop overnight up around 20%. Last I checked, it was still around there. Some things have changed. I'll get into it. Back to $27.58 last I looked, around $27. Great news. Something's happening, right? Who knows what's going on? Roaring Kitty is back. He's made another post about an Uno card. I know that there is a lot of people out there that have a lot of different ideas about what the Uno card means. Let me just go ahead and tell you what I think it means. I came across an article, it was probably 1 or 2 weeks ago, right? Probably 2 weeks ago. And I forgot who wrote the article, whatever, but it said that GameStop has a reverse Uno card. And they were talking about basically that GameStop, now that they have $2 billion or how much ever it is, right? They have a lot of funds ready to use at their disposal. They could do a lot with those funds. They could buy back shares. They could buy a company, another company, or they could do something with their company, right? Such as upgrades or whatever products that they can make themselves, maybe. There's a lot of different things there. They could also buy back shares, and that could be the reverse Uno card in my mind, because that would put the people that are shorting GameStop, it would put them in a bind and they would have less shares to short. In theory, the stock would go up probably a lot. Who knows what's going to happen? So, GameStop, $27.58. It's back to $27, really close to $30. What I've been telling you guys in my other videos, I know I've had a lot of people get frustrated with me, but we are this close to $30. $40 is $10 away. We are back into the swing, and this could be massive for the stock. GameStop could squeeze up back to $50 here. It could go higher if there's even more news, such as the things that I've just gave you of examples that they could do. Also, earnings, guys, earnings is next week. So we potentially could have 2 weeks of nothing but, or mostly, good news, hopefully, for GameStop investors. This could be huge. It could be 2 weeks of green candles running up. Who knows where the stock could go, but we are very close back to $30. I'm excited for Monday. I'm sure many of you are. So if you've been holding your shares out there, it could be right around the corner where you could either get out, buy more shares, lower your average, however you want to do it, however you want to play GameStop. This could be giving you the opportunity to play GameStop how you want to play it. Don't buy at the top. That would be my only advice, but I'm not a financial advisor. So GameStop won't stop. Roaring Kitty's back. Oh man, anything could also, Unusual Whales was reporting that there was this huge whale of a buyer buying up June options calls, $20 calls to be exact, for GameStop. And they were buying them up, buying them up, buying them up in a very large amount. Well, Roaring Kitty also made another post, and it was that he bought GameStop shares at around $23. I think it's recent. Either way, if he's the whale, which it looks like he's that whale, that means that Roaring Kitty has $200 million in GameStop shares. So if you're a GameStop investor out there, that will probably give you some ease there, give you a peace of mind that knowing that Roaring Kitty, who you know how much, who knows how much he had before, right? But it wasn't near this amount. Now he has $200 million potentially, hypothetically, supposedly. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you. I needed to get this video out there. Like, comment, subscribe, share it, get it out there to other GameStop investors, because I don't know what's going to happen, squeeze, whatever, but the stock is more than likely to go up from here. It already has overnight, 20%. Monday, all of next week could be massive for GameStop. All of the doubters, all of the people that said that we were degenerates and idiots for buying the stock. It's not an investment. For weeks now, since GameStop has come down, we've heard nothing but told you so, shouldn't have invested in it, blah, 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 blah. And now could be another turnaround, a huge spike, and more buyers. It could be more FOMO. It could be a squeeze for GameStop once again. We will see. Not financial advice. We will see y'all in the next GameStop video. Thanks for the love.